everyone, it's Barbara. Happy hump day. Today it's a gorgeous day here. The sun is finally out, so I can get my dose of vitamin D. At lunchtime I'm going to go run some errands, but I wanted to share with you my outfit of the day. Okay, so today I have on these frame barrel jeans. I showed these in a recent haul, and like I said then, I'll say it again, they're not for everyone, but I love them. I think they're so cute. They've got the distressing here on the sides and in the knee, and then they kind of go out and then they taper back in. I love them. I think they're really cute. And then for shoes, I have on these beautiful lucite, smoke color lucite heels from Marc Fisher, and then my top is actually a bodysuit from Abercrombie Fitch. It's got little cutouts on the side, which I think is a fun little detail. And then my belt, I don't know where this is from. I think it's from Amazon. And then my jewelry, I have on my initial necklace that I got from an antique store, and then this other little initial necklace I got from Banana Republic. And then ring, I don't know where this ring is from. My sister gave it to me as a gift. And then my just my pave ring and bracelets, my usual bracelet arm party. I did add this little one. I don't even know where this is from actually. I think I got it from a little boutique. And then for my jacket, I have this Express shiny puffer jacket. I showed this recently in another video, and I think it's so cute and super warm too, which I love. So that is it for my outfit of the day. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.